Okay, so this is a formula for compounding interest. So if I read this, this is basically, again, my amount, and this is my initial. We're going to call it principal, but it's, again, my initial one. So that's the initial amount I'm putting in because it has a little knot there. Knot usually means initial. 1 plus R is my rate. When I'm using rate, it's probably going to be written as a percent, but I'm going to change it to a decimal. T is still going to stand for years. And kind of like last time, it's not always just going to be on the year. So M is going to stand for, oh man, I just got my entire formula wrong. That's R over M. M stands for the number of compoundings per year. So number So let's try to set this up. If I have $2,000 initial, 3% interest and compounded monthly, I'm going to try to set it into this formula. And I'm going to say my initial is 2,000. I have 1 plus 3% as a decimal, be 0.03. I'm compounding monthly, so 12 times per year, to the 12 times t, because I don't know t. And that's going to equal what I get out of it. Okay, so how much after 5 years? Well, where would my 5 go? My 5 would be years, so that'd be my t. So I'm going to get p equals 2,000. 1 plus 0.03 over 12 to the 12 times 5. I'd probably use a calculator now and figure this out. So I would have however much left after those 5 years, but that's how we would kind of set it up. Let's see if we can do the last one. Let's see if we can get how long it takes to get to 5,000. So I'm going to start it up here. My final thing I want to be is 5,000. Started off with 2,000. 1 plus 0.03 over 12 to the 12t. Again, I'm solving for t, so I want to get that term by itself. So I'm going to divide by 2,000. So I'm going to get 5 over 2, or 2.5. 1 plus 0.03 to the 12, still in parentheses because it's still being raised to the 12t. And I'm going to say, well, I know how to get stuff out of the exponent. I have a variable in the exponent. To get it out of it, I'm going to take the log or natural log of both sides. So I'm going to do the log. When I do that, my 12t is going to come down. Oh, I forgot to put a log there. Hold on. Log. There. 1 plus 0.03 over 12. So I get that. Let's go ahead, I guess, and let it come down here so we can see it prettier. Log of 2.5 equals 12t log of 1 plus 0.03 over 12. Now I'm still trying to figure out how long, so I'm still trying to find out my variable, my t, my years, and really I'm basically done. I can go ahead now and just divide by the 12 and divide by the log of 1 plus 0.03 over 12. If I do that, then they cancel. And I just get t equals this. Again, I'd probably want to use a calculator to figure it out, but at least I know what it is.